Hey guys, so today I want to show you another Lexington vinyl sided shed. This one's a little bit fancier, a little bit bigger, 12 by 16, 7-foot wall height, 12-foot shed dormer, 6-foot double door, and a 30-inch by 40-inch windows with trim. 3 windows on this side. Here's your double doors. I'll show you that dormer. It's kind of nice, a little fancy. Very nice dormer. Let in a little bit of light, a little more light. Nothing on the back. So let's take a look inside through these double doors. Lockable, all plywood construction. No loft on this one. No workbenches. But again, that's at your discretion to customize a little bit. So there you go, guys, the 12 by 16 Lexington vinyl sided shed with double doors. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next video.